Oh boy, third period. Here we go. I'm sitting here in the command center with the 65-inch touchscreen monitor. I got 16 computers over here, 7,000 papers over here. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go. Okay, so this video is more specific to your class in terms of those three things that I need you to sign up for from CP01. So this is CP01 for third period. Now, before I get into that, I just want to kind of talk a little bit about what you see on the screen here. There's a lot of different windows here. The software that I'm using allows me to kind of give you all the information you need in one-stop shop. So the top bar that's blue, that's scrolling, is a learning target. That's just my learning target for today, but you would have one every day for class. Underneath that is the agenda. Clearly that's not the agenda for right now. I just use that as a template. Top corner in red is the date that automatically updates. The purple QR code is a reflection scan that takes you to a Google form. You do not have to do that right now. That is for class periods only. But again, I'll talk about that as we go through the school year. Underneath the purple scan QR code is the blackboard I have outside in the hallway that will give us the homework for tonight. There won't always be my reflection in there because it will be darker when I take that picture. So you will look at the 3 because you're third period. Underneath that is e-class no-shows. I update that every morning for how many kids did not watch the video or did not do the assignment the night before. Okay, so hopefully that's going to be at a 0 as often as possible. All right, and on the bottom is just a scroll for like upcoming dates. So it says Unit 1 test is Wednesday. Clearly that's not happening. Okay, so let's get into the 3 things I need you to sign up for. Come on. Okay. First thing is Remind 101. This might be the most important thing, obviously, because this is how we're going to communicate back and forth on a daily basis, really on an hourly basis if you have questions. So what we're going to do is you are 2020-21 third period gifted algebra. So I don't know if you can see it in there, but I'm going to go ahead and add people, right? So you can see the PDF that I'm about to download. So you can see your codes. So here are your 2 options to sign up for third period gifted algebra. You can sign up with a smartphone or you can sign up through email. Either one is fine. As long as, if you sign up with email, you have to check your email. Like it's something really important. Now, one other note is make sure you enable push notifications on the app. We want to use the app for Remind. I don't want this going to your text messages like a normal message, like an SMS message. That's not going to work. It has to be through the app only as a push notification. So you can see there's multiple ways that you can sign up for that, so please go ahead and do that. And please also, at any time, pause the video so you can get the information, or you can send me an information through email or Remind. Second thing that you're going to sign up for is Flipgrid. Flipgrid is going to be Friday or Saturday or Sunday, like one day you choose, obviously, and it's going to be a 3-minute video that you create that reflects on the past week's learning. So for example, this first week of school that's coming up, we have a Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You're going to have a Flipgrid that weekend. And there's not going to be a whole lot, I don't think, that we dive into, but you're going to have to give me a couple of prompts that I will provide you to answer. Okay, so here will be your code for Flipgrid. Hopefully you can see that. It's Dramis33. Which is the flip code to get into this. And then once you log into your account, you'll see a bunch of reflections. I will always name them by the week, and I'll always also reference that in the homework assignment. So for the week 1 reflection, you're going to click on the week 1 reflection. Look at that guy. Oh boy, this is crazy. Man, he's something else. So the prompt has 4 things on it. Number 1, state what the lessons were for the week. Number 2, state what you really understood this week. Number 3, state what you didn't really understand, right, or you need more help with. And then number 4, provide 1 example to share with the group, meaning you're going to get a problem that we did this week or create a new one that's relevant to the stuff we did, and you're going to solve it from beginning to end, or you're going to write it and then solve it. Now, for those of you that are camera shy, that's fine. You need to be able to somehow give me the information, and holding up a piece of paper isn't going to be good enough. You can put the piece of paper down and film it and then talk it through. You don't have to show your face, but I need some kind of level of interaction between us, okay? So you can show us that kind of work, all right? That's Flipgrid. Last but not least is KudoWorks. You may or may not have used this last year or heard of people using this before, but this is going to be my way to send you some repetition in terms of practice online. Basically, it's like an online worksheet, but it will automatically accumulate your correct scores. So, the better you do, the less you'll have to do. I guess that makes sense. So, The code for this, hopefully you can see that, is the course key, right? And how you're going to sign up is you're going to go to the sign up page, which is a URL, student.works.kudasoftware.com/sign up. And again, if you just Google search this, you'll be able to get to it. You're going to send in your information or type in your information, because that's what we do. We type it in. We don't send it in. Haha, stupid. Okay. The course key from the last screen is here. So you're going to type that in. I have to accept you or enroll you in the course, but you have to sign up first. Okay. So those are the 3 things that we're going to talk about. That's really important from a communication standpoint, all throughout the school year. So the sooner, the quicker, the better you do this, the better off you're going to be as we move on. All right. Can't wait to start school, guys. See you later.